Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's noun. Noun on Monday. So number. An arithmetical value expressed as a word. So value talked about as a word. So one. I have one book. Yeah, I have two books. Two books. Makes sense. So I have two books. Yeah, for example. So this number is the right answer. So how many do I have? Can you guess the number? Can you guess the number how many I have? Do you think these numbers, how do these numbers make sense? Make sense? How do they make sense? How can these numbers make sense? How can these numbers make sense? Those numbers never made sense. They never made sense. What's this? So number is one singular and numbers two plural. So these numbers need to make sense before we can use them. That number is too small. Well, too small and inaccurate. Inaccurate just doesn't make sense. Like, what's this all about? No way, that's not right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that number made no sense. That number is too big. How can that be right? That number is too big. That number is too big. It's too long. It's too complex. Something's not right here. Yeah. I'm counting the numbers now. We are counting how many, anything we have, how many numbers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many numbers exist? How many numbers exist? Well, there's no end. There is no end. Yes! How cool is that? So, you can't just count forever. Where do the numbers end? Yeah. Eventually, there must be an end to the numbers. These numbers have to stop. They can't just keep going forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number comes next? Okay. How cool is that? So yeah, numbers then, language explorer. So arithmetical value expressed as a word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a word. So can you write a sentence with number in it and put it in the comments below? And subscribe to the channel. Yeah, give it a like. More videos to come. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Just search for Adrian Nanshev, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.